What does Europe need to do better to make it a more attractive place to build a medical technology company?
Founders ultimately in Europe continue to have that intrinsic drive and motivation to be able to build something that's incredibly ambitious. More flexibility in the infrastructure to let them do that. Again, they're not moving fast and breaking stuff, but build stuff at a reasonable pace. That's part of the equation. And part of it is something that you see in the US is ultimately a lot of healthcare infrastructure is already slightly commercially minded. So for example, a given surgeon in the US will understand the throughput of, a sales rep coming to them, ultimately looking to sell one of the devices, like what that commercially means for them. I think incentive structures are incredibly different in Europe. That can ultimately lead to a lag in gathering data, gaining adoption, and all of these things that continue to, increase that valley of value that happens between Europe and US. So I think just some improvement in the infrastructure to be able to allow that